Healthy zinc-rich foods strengthen the immune system. If you often feel exhausted or ill, most probably you need the extra energy provided by products containing zinc. Zinc is the second most component element in the human body, right after iron. But still, many do not know how important is zinc for the proper functioning of the human organism. Zinc contributes not only for a good feeling and mood, but also for a good look. Specifically, this mineral regulates cell growth and wound healing, participates in protein synthesis, affects fertility, helps the reproductive cells, strengthens the immune system and protects the organism against free radicals. If you want to stay healthy during the winter, consume more foods rich in zinc. Natural source of zinc are beef. This type of meat contains the highest concentration of zinc. Low-fat beef contains about 10 mg of zinc per 100 grams serving, and 18 mg of zinc per pound. Chicken meat is also good source of zinc. 100 grams chicken contains 2.25 mg of zinc. Tuna, one of the best sources of zinc. 100 grams tuna contains 1 mg of zinc and 1.04 mg of vitamin B6. Pumpkin seeds have one of the highest concentrations of zinc available in a non-meat food. 1 3-cup pumpkin seeds contains 2.6 mg zinc. Peas, 1 cup boiled peas, contains 1.9 mg of zinc. Shellfish is the most powerful natural source of zinc. Shellfish, including lobster, crab, mussels and clams, is the best natural zinc foods. Portion of about 100 grams crab contains 7.6 mg of zinc. Zinc affects the enzyme function, some of which affect the immune system. Zinc stimulates the production of white blood cells in the bone marrow and maturation of the so-called T lymphocytes, which protect the body from diseases. Also, zinc prevents inflammation and suppresses the virus. If you supply the body with enough zinc, you can ease the symptoms of cold and recover faster. Zinc acts as an antioxidant which neutralizes the effects of free radicals, preventing cancer. Besides, zinc stimulates the production of blood, which is very important for people with cancer who are undergoing radiation treatment, which reduces the number of red and white blood cells. If the body does not get enough zinc, fatigue and poor appetite are completely expected reactions. Zinc also strengthens the sight, and lack of zinc causes night blindness. This mineral strengthens the nails and prevents hair loss. Experts recommend consuming at least 10-15 mg of zinc per day. Your needs of zinc most certainly depend on individual factors, such as age, sex and physical fitness. During menstruation, women lose a significant proportion of minerals and therefore in this period they should include more food rich in zinc in their diet. Pregnant women, nursing mothers and chronically ill, need 25 mg of zinc per day. Also, athletes need more zinc, because in 1 liter sweat they lose about 1.2 mg of zinc. Their increased muscle mass, in return, needs larger amount of zinc. Because the body does not produce zinc reserves itself, it is not possible to come to an overdose.